Hi everyone, this is just a quick review of how I installed the Britax Safe and Sound Expandable Booster Seat. This is the Highliner version, but before I get into the seat I just wanted to let you guys know, so as you know, in every car there are seats that recline, and you have a double seat as shown on the left and a single seat shown on the right. Now in hindsight it would have been nice, because I have two kids, to put my youngest the car seat for my youngest on the single, because then the booster seat's actually easy to remove, and that would have actually meant that I could fold the double seats down if I needed some storage space in the back of the car. But nonetheless, that wasn't to be. I didn't pre-plan this, so I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm a bit hesitant to actually remove the child seat, because we had it professionally fitted, and I myself a little bit nervous about that sort of thing, because I find safety is paramount with the young kids in cars. But nonetheless, here's the seat. So once again, the booster seat, it comes in the box as is, okay, and around the back you actually have the tether straps. The tether strap hooks over the back of the seat and actually comes with a lot of loose strap, but the tether itself is inside here. That goes over the seat and clips behind onto a little metal bar, in my car anyway, that then you can then pull the strap tight. Now don't pull it too much, otherwise what you find is that the back of the seat, I'll just give this a push, actually lifts up off the actual seat of the car. So just pull it enough so it's secure, but then the base of the booster seat is still on the car seat when it's in the car. So what I've done, and I have two seats because we have two cars. So as you can see, this is firmly on the base of the car. I haven't pulled the tether strap too much. I've kept this mat, which doesn't come with the booster seat. It came with the child seat. I've kept that for this just so I didn't damage the car itself, the car seat. And then the tether strap, as you can see, if I can get the camera in, just feeds over the back of the seat there and tethers around the back, which you might have seen at the start, but I'll show you again. Comes down and clips in there with a little metal clasp. So, and feeds over there like that. They're the straps there. Now, one of the main things I found is, because with the booster seat you don't have, and I'll show you with the car seats have the strap that feeds under the seat to keep it securely positioned to this corner. The booster seat doesn't have that, so the booster seat might seem a little bit wobbly to begin with, but bear in mind your child is older, your child's bigger, and you have tethered it to the back. So when the child's actually sitting in the seat itself, you'll find the seat belt will go across their chest, across their lap. You will feed through this, which I'll touch on a little bit in a minute, and then the difference now being is it's clipped in there instead of clipping into a middle clasp like you see on my daughter's child seat there. So the headrest is wobbly. That's normal. It's only attached with basically a piece of plastic which goes down through a shaft there. So that's supposed to be quite wobbly. This, because I've tethered it in, I've actually put the strap, the seatbelt strap, in place. It's actually a lot firmer than I thought it would be. And obviously with the child in there, it's going to be firmer again with a little bit of extra weight and the straps feeding through. With the seatbelt, and I'll show you on this one, with the shoulder strap, don't try and fit the clasp through here, the metal clasp. Just feed the strap through this little gap, gap where this hook is in the plastic. It's a lot easier that way. So here you go. So here you find the strap. You do have cup holders as well in the corner, and these are on both sides. But what I find is, because my car, or some cars, have this, which I find a lot easier. If you've got two kids, a lot easier to reach for drink bottles and things like that. But by all means, feel free to use the cup holders if your car doesn't have one of those things. So as you can see, I fed the strap through the seat belt, the shoulder strap through the top guider there. It's going to go across my son's chest down there. He's got the armrests should he need. Now with this, with the lap strap, what you find is it ends up being fed under here, like that. So once again, there's no button clasp seat belt like you have in a child seat. It just feeds up under, and with their legs through these gaps there, it will create a lot more stability with the seat. So there you have it, the Britax Safe and Sound booster seat, the Highliner version once again. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and take care.